Hello, what's up guys? Welcome back to another new video. In this video, we will explain the trades that we provided in the VIP group and the free groups. I'll be explaining all the trades we took. If you are new here and want to join us, the link is available in the description, so go and check it out. Let's move on to the video. The session has started. This was a free group signal on EURCHF for an upside call side move. Let me explain the trade. You can see that the previous red candle was completed, and this was the last red candle. That's why we provided a signal for the upside move, and this was a clear win. You can also see there was a support level here. Now let's move on to the second trade, which we provided on AUDCAD for a downside move in the VIP group. Let me explain the trade. You can see there was a downtrend, and if you notice, there was also a resistance level. A moving average was present as well. That's why we provided a signal for the downside move, and this was a clear win. Let's move on to the third trade, which we provided on AUDJPY for an upside call side move in the VIP group. You can see there was a support level, and a moving average was also present. That's why we provided a signal for the upside move, and this was also a clear win. So the session ended here, and we won 3 non-martingale trades. Yes, all our trades were non-martingale. If you want to avail these signals, Telegram. All the links are available in the description, so go and check them out. If you enjoyed the video, hit the like button. If you gained some knowledge, subscribe to the channel. If you have any topics or suggestions, comment down below. See you in the next video, guys. Goodbye.